Jesus is the light. Jesus is the light, light that dispels the darkness. Life is both an interplay of darkness and light. We have our moments of darkness, we also have our moments of brightness, or we are in the light. But very often we are too caught up sometimes with the darkness in our lives. And this darkness could be our inner state of turmoil that we go through. It could be the bitterness that we harbor in our hearts. It could be negative emotions, maybe the feelings of unforgiveness. But the greatest darkness that we can go through in life is that we lose our connect with God. The greatest darkness that we can go through life is losing our touch, our connect with God. And dear brothers and sisters, and this darkness sometimes makes us ask a lot of things, or makes us do a lot of things. The first thing that it can prompt us to do is to ask ourselves the existential question which says, what is the purpose of my life? Where am I going? And it makes us lose our inner peace. Or it can lead us to other negative habits or practices where we slip into maybe alcoholism or drug addiction or other kinds of bad habits. Or it can lead us astray from being positive people, from being faithful to being faithless.